My name is Saadia Speaks. I'm a third year sociology and psychology student and founder of Saadia Speaks, which is essentially a platform that empowers, uplifts and inspires young people aged 16 to 23 to feel more confident in themselves and to achieve their goals. I'm currently 6 months in. So we had our first workshop event in March 2022 for International Women's Day. And ever since I've been doing a workshop event every month or every other month. The thing that inspired me the most to start my business was that I had experienced a lot of racism and Islamophobia growing up, and that really impacted my confidence. However, making so much progress in myself in terms of getting into university, it made me realise that it is very possible. And I was like, well, if I can change my own narrative, then surely other young people can change their narratives as well. Perhaps I can be that person that could help them by bringing together the tools and the resources that I had learned that were very, very useful to me. For me, it's been pretty life-changing working with the enterprise team, because at the beginning I had an idea that I didn't know how I was going to execute on it. And they showed me that it was possible. So to do my first workshop event, I was able to secure funding from the enterprise team, but also have the support in terms of the staff members on the day. And I think just having that support gave me then that confidence to do my first workshop, but then continue essentially. If you were to ask me 5 years from now, where do I see Saadia Speaks? I think the first thing is I see us impacting and helping young people worldwide, not just in the UK. And I also see myself having a really, really big team of workshop facilitators that are able to create workshops in the things and in the topics that they're passionate about, whether it's social media, copywriting, gaming, whatever it is, so we can help more young people with their skills and their talents as well. Receiving funding from Santander has helped me massively, because it meant that I was able to continue to host events outside of Swansea. It also opened up other opportunities, so to network with entrepreneurs by attending the national awards and just learn a lot about the world of business. And for me, it did certainly grow my confidence, and it gave me that boost that I needed to just continue growing my business.